So in this video we will study about the third law of the gas, which is a Gay-Lussac law. This is also a kind of derivative of Charles law, and according to Charles law we have seen in previous video that volume is directly proportional to temperature of a gas at a constant amount and constant pressure, or we can also write V over T is equal to constant. But in case of Gay-Lussac law, the relationship between the pressure and temperature, so they make a relationship between the pressure and temperature. So they said that pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So if you will increase the pressure, temperature will also increases. If you will lower the pressure of a gas, temperature will also lower. So P over T, P is directly proportional to T, or P over T is equal to constant. But the condition is at the constant amount and the constant volume. So volume must be constant and amount will also be constant. So if you see that in the Boyle's law and Charles law, and this is third Gay-Lussac law, mostly we are all they are establishing the relationship between the pressure, volume, temperature and amount of gas. So and according to Gay-Lussac law, this relationship between the temperature and pressure is directly proportional to pressure, direct relationship. So if you remember, the best example to understand this Gay-Lussac law is if you are driving your car for a long on freeway for many hours, and during the summer, so you can see that the temperature in that, even if you will keep rotating your wheel for a long time, the pressure of the gas in the tire increases, so temperature also increases. That is why it's recommended to reduce little bit pressure than the recommended, or do not fill too much air inside the tire, otherwise as the pressure will increase, temperature will increase, so gas will try to expand it and the tire goes bust. So this is the best example to understand the Gay-Lussac law. And then fourth law is about the Avogadro law. What it says, the volume of a gas at a constant temperature and pressure is directly proportional to the number of mole of gas. What does it means? It establishes the relationship between the amount and volume. So there are four variables: pressure, volume, temperature and small n. Small n is equal to, which is amount, number of moles. So relationship between the amount and volume. So as you will increase the volume, the amount of gas will also increase. So volume of a gas at a constant temperature and pressure is directly proportional to the number of mole of gases. So if you have a larger amount of gas, they will occupy larger space, but the constant pressure and constant temperature, and the relationship between the pressure, volume and amount is directly proportional. So these were the four laws about the Boyle's law, Charles law, third is Gay-Lussac law we have seen, and the fourth one is Avogadro law, or in the gaseous laws. So we have to study, and in the next video we will study about the ideal gas equation, which is PV is equal to small n RT. So that will establish the relationship between all these four parameters.